Every day, millions of tons of CO2 affect our atmosphere, changing our climate and the very conditions for life. Road transport is part of this, but since tomorrow's need for mobility and transport will not disappear, we need to make our carbon footprint as light as possible. We need to keep emissions to a minimum. Alternative fuels and efficient vehicles are part of the answer, but we also need to change the way that vehicles are used, developing smarter transport solutions. The future transport system will reap the full benefits of connected vehicles. Vehicles will need to adapt their behavior to each other in order to fulfill their common transport tasks and optimize the flow of goods or people within the transport system. In many situations, the vehicles will be driven autonomously, increasing safety and fuel efficiency. Does this sound like a distant scenario? It's not. The journey has already begun, and Scania is well prepared to take on the challenge. Scania has been conducting research within autonomous transport systems for almost a decade. Today, research prototype vehicles are driving along the streets of Scania's test track in Södertälje, carrying out transport tasks sent to vehicles from a transport management system. Every action is analyzed for optimization of the overall transport flow. In the control room, the operators manage the overall flow and monitor the overall performance of the transport system. While operating, the vehicles are in fact cooperating, following the other vehicles and awaiting their actions when necessary. They also interact with manually driven vehicles, giving way before resuming their tasks. Vehicles sometimes operate in environments that are remote, dangerous, or unhealthy for human workers. Autonomous vehicles can work in all conditions and take people out of harm's way. An example is within mining operations, where conditions can be made not only safer, but more efficient and profitable. In some applications, the driver will remain in the driver's seat for a long time to come. In these cases, the vehicle often drives autonomously, but hands over to the driver in other situations. While the driver is in control, the vehicle will still offer extensive support, for example, identifying obstacles and preventing accidents where the driver might not notice the danger. Each autonomous transport solution is unique, modular, and individually tailored to individual operator needs. Scania's transport solutions optimize flow and minimize waste, creating value for the customer and reducing the environmental impact of heavy road transport. Autonomous transport systems open the door to a world of opportunities. Scania has set the course toward the destination, the sustainable transport system of the future.